Minimum investment requirements for Gold IRAs. For retirees concerned about inflation and market instability, Gold IRAs provide a secure way to diversify with tangible assets. But before starting, it's vital to understand the minimum investment requirements for Gold IRAs, a factor that determines whether this strategy fits your retirement plan. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's what you need to know. 1. Industry standards. Most custodians set a minimum investment between $5,000 and $25,000. The exact amount depends on the custodian's fee structure, whether the account is full service or self-directed, the type of metals chosen, coins versus bars, storage and insurance arrangements. Some firms may allow smaller rollovers, but these are rare. 2. Custodial and storage fees. In addition to the initial deposit, investors must plan for ongoing annual costs such as custodian fees, $75 to $300. Storage fees, $100 to $250. Insurance varies by asset value. These costs reduce net returns, making fee comparison essential. 3. Starting after age 60, many retirees open Gold IRAs through rollovers from existing accounts like 401k or IRAs. This avoids taxes and penalties. The process includes selecting an IRS-approved custodian, funding via rollover or transfer, choosing IRS-approved metals, for example, 99.5% pure gold coins or bullion, using an IRS-sanctioned depository for storage. 4. Strategic role in retirement. After age 60, portfolio preservation is key. A Gold IRA helps hedge against inflation and currency risks, but it should be balanced with equities, bonds, and cash for stability. Understanding the minimum investment requirements for Gold IRAs ensures retirees begin wisely, protecting wealth while adding resilience to their long-term retirement strategy. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.